You are going to learn how you can improve the on-page SEO using SEMrush. Let's configure the tool. Click On-Page SEO. Here type and paste your website URL. First, select your target location. Choose wisely because you won't be able to change the target location once the campaign is running. Then, the tool will automatically recommend importing the pages and keywords from the Organic Research Report and the Position Tracking tool. Alternatively, you can add the pages and keywords you want to study, manually, one by one. From a previously created CSV file, or from your Google Search Console account. To be able to import the pages and keywords from your Google Search Console account, you need to connect it. Thus, SEMrush will be able to provide you with page suggestions based on clicks, impressions, and CTR. When importing from SEMrush Organic Research, you can adjust your pages list by applying filters by position, volume, and keywords number, as well as presence or absence of specific words. This will allow you to filter the pages by these parameters. At the second step, you'll be asked to choose a user agent name to crawl your website. It can be either an SEMrush bot or a Google bot. Finally, you can schedule crawls to recollect ideas. On the overview page, you'll see a donut chart with the total number of ideas broken down into 7 categories. These ideas fall under the following recommendations: how to implement your keywords in your text properly, how to semantically enrich your content with other keywords from a similar topic, how long your pieces of content should be, where to get good backlinks from, which of your landing pages are to be optimized first for your keywords, what actions to take in order to obtain SERP features, how to get rid of technical issues that might affect your page's rankings, and if you connect your Google Analytics account, how to optimize UX or user experience. Remember, SEO is all about user experience, so if your users aren't having a good experience on your page, you are less likely to rank highly. To find out more about each set of ideas and how it can help, at the bottom of the page, you'll see a table with a prioritized list of pages to optimize. The priority is based on the number of ideas for a specific page, the amount of traffic the implementation of these ideas can bring, and the ease of the implementation. The pages with the highest priority are at the top of the list with 3 solid yellow bars, while the lower priority pages have 1 or even no yellow bars. Prioritization is needed to help you concentrate on the most urgent and important things first. Click View All Pages and Ideas and you'll be sent to the Optimization Ideas tab, where all the tool's suggestions are listed. Top 10 Benchmarking is the place where you can learn much about their strategies in order to adopt their best practices. Just hover on the corresponding ideas icon. Below the summary graph, you can find a bar chart comparing your current and potential traffic, the estimation of organic traffic that can be brought to your site, provided that your URLs ranked number 1 organically for every keyword within the campaign. Currently, it is not showing because it needs 1 more day to collect the data. They're grouped by your landing pages and sorted by priority by default. Take a closer look at the column with a drop-down list. You can select a specific category to see the ideas referring to this category. Choose the page you want to optimize first, and click the green button with the number of ideas. The On-Page SEO Checker is a powerful tool that guides you through the nuances of search engine optimization. Focus on the prioritized list of recommendations to make impactful changes. Keep an eye on the competition with the top 10 benchmarking, and remember, SEO is an ongoing journey. Regular updates and optimizations are key to climbing the ranks. Good luck, and here's to your website's success.